Ever found yourself reaching for that tub of ice cream after a long, stressful day? Or maybe you've devoured an entire bag of chips without even realizing it. You're not alone. Emotional eating is something millions of people struggle with daily, and it's one of the biggest hurdles to successful weight loss. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the science of weight loss, health, and well-being. If you're someone who's trying to shed those extra pounds but finds yourself sabotaged by cravings, stick around. Today, we're uncovering the truth about emotional eating and how it's impacting your weight loss journey. Emotional eating is more than just snacking when you're sad or stressed. It's a powerful force that can derail even the most determined weight loss efforts. But why does it happen, and what can you do to stop it? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you, have you ever found yourself eating when you're not hungry? Maybe it's when you're bored, upset, or just because food is there. Drop a comment below and share your experience. I promise you're not alone, and understanding this behavior is the first step to taking control. So what exactly is emotional eating? In simple terms, it's when you turn to food for comfort, not because you're physically hungry, but because you're seeking an emotional boost. This can happen when you're stressed, sad, or even just bored. Here's where it gets tricky. Emotional eating often leads to mindless eating. You're not paying attention to what or how much you're eating, which can lead to consuming far more calories than your body needs. And what happens when you eat more calories than you burn? Yep, you guessed it, weight gain. But that's just the beginning of the story. The foods we crave when we're emotional are usually high in sugar, fat, or both, what we call comfort foods. But these foods are often low in nutrients and packed with empty calories, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. So, while you might find temporary relief in that slice of pizza or pint of ice cream, the long-term effects can be far from comforting. Emotional eating disrupts your natural hunger signals, making it tough to tell when you're truly hungry. But it's not all doom and gloom. The first step to breaking free from emotional eating is understanding what triggers it. Is it stress, sadness, boredom? Once you know your triggers, you can start to address them without turning to food. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, try finding other ways to cope with your emotions. Exercise, journaling, or even just talking to a friend can provide the emotional relief you need without the extra calories. Mindful eating is another powerful tool. By paying attention to what you're eating and how it makes you feel, you can start to make better choices and break the cycle of emotional eating. And let's not forget, building a healthy relationship with food takes time. It's not about depriving yourself, but about finding balance and making choices that support your overall well-being. Now, I know what you're thinking. Easier said than done. And you're right. Changing habits is tough, but it's not impossible. With the right strategies and support, you can take control of emotional eating and make real progress on your weight loss journey. So what about you? What are your biggest challenges with emotional eating? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who might need it. Remember, this channel is all about supporting you on your health journey. If you haven't already, donate to subscribe to fund the channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you valuable content every week. And always remember, your health is worth the effort. Thank you to all the incredible sources that made this video possible. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please seek professional advice for personalized guidance. See you in the next video.